Hello YouTubers and YouTubees, North Coast T here. Today we're working on a 2006 Chevy Silverado. Cat eye! That has nothing to do with it. Kind of, but not really. More specifically, we're working on replacing the oil pressure sensor switch behind the intake. When it starts to fail, it either goes to 0 or goes to 80. And mine stayed at 80 for about 2 days, and now it just kind of all over the place. So let's get into it. Tools needed for this job are 5/16 socket to take the engine cover off, swivel, 6-inch extension, swivel head ratchet helps, and 27 millimeter. They say it's an oxygen sensor socket, but it's real thin wall and deep well. You're going to need that to get the sensor out. This is, if we can see it, the socket on there. I got a light coming in from the other side, and I'm just reaching down on this side. So that's literally all I can show, really. Let me see when I get the socket back off, if you can see the new part in there. This is the old one. Got it out. You need like an oxygen sensor socket to get it down in there, because there's another sensor right next to it that makes it really hard. So you need a thin wall socket, deep well. Here's a new one. It comes with thread sealer on it. I just put this little crush washer on there, and we're attempting to get it all the way back in there. See, this is my setup. 2x4s laying across fender to fender, so you don't break any of the important stuff. Got a 2x6 here, so you don't get hooked on the latch. And just lay across there. Step up on there, lay across there, put your head up there, put your arm inside that hole right there. Some people have suggested taking off that fuel line. I didn't want to mess with that as well. Got a million other things to do. So I'm just reaching right down in there with my hand. And there is the setup I'm using. Got the special socket, just an oxygen sensor socket. 27 millimeter deep well, thin wall on the swivel, extension, and then a swivel head ratchet. So like I said, it's doable, but you gotta get in there, and no way to get a camera in there. I mean, you could, I guess, but I just can't get a visual on anything that we're doing in here. So right now I got these little pick tools here, and I'm gonna see if there's supposed to be a screen in there. So I'm gonna check and see if there's a screen. I put my finger in there, I didn't feel one. Here's the screen, looks like this. I did not feel anything, so I'm gonna try again. Some people say don't put the screen in there. If mine has a screen, I'm gonna put it in there. If it doesn't, I'm not. But that's what I'm fishing for right now. So I'll update you if I find out anything else in there. And this is what it looks like after. Riding right at 40 pounds of pressure. 40 PSI.